What's up? What's up, everybody? Been a little bit since the last time I streamed, and why do the freaking events thing always come up right as there we go. Okay. Anyways, so I'm trying to set up Streamlabs for myself. How do I add a border like you did? I literally just went into GIMP and like just made like a transparent like background like image and just drag and drop the image onto the scene in Streamlabs. So yeah, that's literally all I did. So anyways, yeah, we're gonna be doing the Hello Neighbor 2 demo. It's because I haven't played it yet, and that basically that's the end of the sentence. So let's get started. Eerie Guest Studios. Why did they change the name? What? Whatever. So what a simple little menu. Oh, never mind. Okay, so graphics. Very high. Everything very high. Turn off motion blur. Display. Audio. Just basically keep everything the same. So yeah, new game. Oh, when you love Amogus. Sure. Okay. So, wait, what? I said no motion blur. Why is there motion blur? What? Why? I said no motion. There's motion blur anyways? Whatever. I don't care much. Why are we in here? Oh, glass, huh? Interesting. So they have like actual like sound systems implemented. That's cool. Okay, put that there. I think I need to put the I need a yellow and a purple one. Anything back here? Nope. When lag, what? Why is your stream 5 frames? Why is the stream 5 frames? Huh. That does not make a whole lot of sense. It's probably because of the GPU and how much. And I should probably turn that down to very high. Try that. That's better. Settings. Let me just do medium. Let me just do medium graphics because apparently my freaking stream just can't. Oh my gosh, it still can't really do it. What? Okay, frickin'. Whoops. Nope, that's not what I meant. That's not what I meant. There we go. Okay. I need to fix this because genuinely let me try turning off hardware acceleration on Discord. Up. That's not what I wanted. Hold on there. There we go. Okay. Let's try it now. That's better. Let's go back to very high graphics. Oh, that's terrible. That is terrible. Go back to medium. I have to play on lowest graphics or it doesn't run on my PC. Rip bozo moment. I'm just kidding. Let me lower my webcam down. So basically what's happening is so Streamlabs is trying to use my GPU for the encoding for the stream, but at the same time the game is also trying to use that. And so it literally I literally have to Owen say GPU plays. Interesting fact in the game: there is a DLSS map. Interesting. Play on low graphics, you clown. Okay, sure. Guess I'm gonna have to play on low graphics, but I don't want. Let's see what it looks like with low graphics. Actually, it doesn't look that bad with low graphics settings. It's just that the motion blur isn't too great. Or actually, like, the post-processing, I mean. I'm gonna turn on anti-aliasing. Let's try doing everything except shading. Effects. Okay. Let's try just doing that. Shadows add a ton of lag. Yeah, that is to be expected. Let me try turning off anti-aliasing, because I don't really. Oh wow, anti-aliasing actually fixed it for the most part, but I just need to let you know my computer 100% can run this on like max settings perfectly fine. It's just that for the streaming to actually run well, I literally have to run it at low graphics. Are you doing glitchless? What is this, a speed run? I'm not. No, yes, I am doing glitchless because I literally. This is literally the first time I'm playing this game. I still hate the frame rate on the stream. Let me turn down. Okay, that's good enough. We're gonna call that good enough. You're better off at 144p. All right, crowbar. Think. Rocks. The frick am I gonna use all my rocks? All these rocks for? Okay, so tab is inventory. Oh, wait, crowbar. Where is it? There we go. Okay. Oh, that's actually pretty smooth vaulting. Don't really have to do anything. And what? Okay. Less smooth ladder animation. So why can't I pick this? Oh, it's because of my inventory is full. Eh. There we go. We get the purple cog right there. The rocks I probably... What glass thing were you talking about? Yes, my son, my daughter is a very good friend of mine. I just don't... Wait, what? I don't... Okay, it's just random chat. Like, conversations in chat. Where the frick do I use this rock? I feel like I have to use the rock, smash the glass thing holding the gear. What glass thing? Oh. Why does it cut to the to like that camera view instead of just smoothly transitioning? Okay, yeah, that makes sense. I forgot about the thing. So now Okay. Okay. Okay, yep, this is normal. This is totally normal for Hello Neighbor standards. Totally and completely normal. Alrighty. Wait, go to the back of the house. Which house? That one or the neighbors? I'm tapping on a filler. Puzzles in Hello Office were wild. Yes, they were wild. Your crowbar is stretched out. What? That doesn't make sense. But I don't know. Wow. Ooh. What happened to your eyeballs there? His eyelids just like disappeared for a second. Alrighty, just gonna do a fair amount of trolling. I'm gonna go the other way. You do your thing. Use some of the police's animations. He does? That's hilarious. Okay, so I need a code for that. Ooh. Nice little toy. Oh, crap on a stick. Please do not come. Frickin' piece of garbage. Have you seen nothing about this demo at all? I've seen little bits and pieces. I haven't seen everything, but I've seen a little bit. Such a shame they scrapped the Alpha 1 model. For what, the neighbor? I'm gonna increase the texture quality because where's the texture? Yes, there we go. Because textures, as I've found, it doesn't really care too much about. So yeah, look at that, look at that. Hi, if you can. Yep, go that way. Player. Oh. Okay. Oh. Nice music. That's actually I actually like that chase music. It's actually a lot better than the first games. Yeah. Can you please get out of that room? I am neural network. I feel like they're still working on the neural networking thing because, like, from what I've heard, the AI is like, it's decent, but it's not like anything too crazy. Are you really just gonna sit there? He really is just gonna sit there. Okay, time to go. Wow, I jumped really high there. Cat. Oh, look at you. Oh, hey, Ember. Well, screw you, Ember. Frickin' scratched me. Interesting. Maybe I... Oh, wait. Those go on, yep. Oh, so I have to find 3 more. Yeah, oh, right. Yeah, I have to find 3 more. Interesting. Is he still here? Nope, he's not still there. Let's... Oh, okay. How lovely. He has a nice little display, a nice little picture to. Oh crap. Yeah, I'm still on your property, but I mean, I guess you'd only care if I'm inside the house, so I'm just gonna come back in here. And then... Oh, is that a goldfish? Is that a giant, like... Wait, no, that's a giant Swedish fish. Whatever. Even if it was the new eye, they're far from done working out the kinks, and not just that, if it doesn't have enough people playing the game to learn from them. That is true, yeah. Yeah, it's supposed to learn from, like, other players, like, tactics and stuff. Hey. Cat. Eat your food. Cat. Eat your food. Give me that. Thank you. You're welcome, cat. They should really go back to the original, like, system where he would chase you if you're just in past his property, like, line, because it really doesn't make sense for him to see me just outside his like side door, and he just doesn't care. Also, I'm pretty sure this is supposed to go. The simming posters, except it's entirely back. Well, my gosh, freaking dang it! Freaking get it. Leave me alone. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for not caring that I'm right in your property line. I run Internet Explorer. Okay, boomer. Laughing at my own jokes. I am quite the interesting lad. I run Bing, dude. You're just a sociopath then. Yeah, we'll never understand how you lag when going in and out of the house when the outside uses way more memory. Wait. I did my best. I'm gonna have to adjust Streamlabs' like encoding thing, because gaming, that just doesn't really work. Well, or like just in general with what I do, because the friggin' GPU is just being sucked up and it just lags the stream. Maya is Crowman and Aaron is police officer. My dad works for Tiny Build. Also, the neighbor does come out if you annoy him too much. I've seen him run out on the Tiny Build demo playthrough. Interesting. Oh wait, I just... Frickin' tunnel vision. I just realized I have a shovel. So there's gotta be something around... Oh no. Oh no, I'm gonna have to dig up Maya's grave, don't I? Oh no. Please don't tell me I have to do that. That would be incredibly messed up if I have to do that. I'm gonna have to dig up her grave. Yep, I'm gonna have to dig up her grave. Where the frick is dirt? Where is piles of dirt? Also, Theodore, my man. Frickin' clean up your backyard, jeez. Frickin' it's overgrown as freak, and you're just leaving it out here. Come to think of it, this entire area is overgrown as freak. Still don't really know what's going on over there, but yeah. Yep, I'm just gonna have to accept it, and I still can't find this freaking dirt pile that I'm probably supposed to find. I don't even know. Well, actually, yeah, I do know I'm supposed to find a dirt pile because I have a shovel, and it's pretty self-explanatory. Where? I feel like it'd be obvious, but I am not getting any sort of obvious visual cues. I use Mixamo to make games in Roblox Studio for my animations, and if you wonder where I do models, I do them on a piece of paper and import them in. It's behind the barn. What? That makes no sense. Why would it be behind the barn? My theory is that this takes place before Hello Neighbor 2 release build. Oh, wait, you're right. Wait, these are rocks, not dirt. Inconsistent FPS gaming. Yep. It just be like that with Streamlabs GPU encoding. It just be like that. Oh, it is right here. Why the frick is it back here? And why is that here? Maya was turned into a marketable plushie. But seriously, why the frick is this here? This makes zero sense. However, granted, I say that as if anything in these games makes sense. But seriously, why the frick is that over there? That makes actually zero sense. That genuinely makes zero sense. I'm not entirely sure how he didn't see me there. Where is he going? Oh, how lovely. He's literally just hanging out over there. So I'm gonna have to distract him. Uh-oh. Alright, just gonna wait. See what he does. What, you don't think kidnapping children and putting them in your basement makes zero sense? I have 50 children in my basement. Perfectly normal. Hello Neighbor's goofy lore with even more goofy physics, but the physics can either be amazing or absolutely suck. Maya became a fat mojo figure. Okay, I don't think he's... Yeah, he's not in there anymore. So... He should... So... Maya goes up here. Gonna close that real quick. You need a wrench for Aaron. Why am I so bad? No, don't say that about yourself, Nate. You're great. Please hit the neighbor with Maya. It's ironic. Plus, I want to know what happens. I don't think it does nothing. It does literally nothing. He does not react to anything that's thrown at him. Like, just, hold on. Watch this. Watch. Oh, come the frick on. Why? Frickin' neighbor. Just gonna... Actually, wait. What's on your... What's on your belt? Give me that. Give me that. Thank you. Sneak 100. Incredible. So, what would I... Ooh. Oh, what? Just gonna... you don't see me. Please go, my guy. Yeah, that's what I thought. What? Just go, please. Leave. Leave. Get out of here. You suck. Why are you just camping this cupboard? Thank you for leaving. Okay. Okay, there we go. Ooh, there's Aaron. And he's just hanging out in here with a lamp. Yep. Perfectly normal and not at all weird. Perfectly normal. Oh, frickin'. Okay, so this is, I would assume this is one of the keys for the basement. Corey Kenshin already made the Sneak 100 joke in this game, lol. Oh my god. We just have the same wavelength. We already have, we're just going at the, we're just both geniuses. I just can't explain any with anything else. It's a key for the barn. Yeah, because that totally makes sense. What the? Why are you still? Yeah, that's what I thought. Idiot. I swear if you camp that area... Oh, you can hide under... Oh, that's actually... That's actually... Hey man, how you doing? Oh, now he's lost sight of me. Sneak 100. He definitely knew I was there, but he just didn't care. What an idiot. Oh crap. You never noticed that feature? No, I never knew that that was even a thing. Stares directly at you. I don't see anything. Yeah, he knew I was there. He just didn't care for some reason. Why is this pile of leaves like rock solid? What the frick? Okay, so okay, I will give this. Okay, I will give I will give the demo this. The area around the area is a lot more like mysterious and sinister than the first game. Like just in general, this game looks a lot more dark. Looks a lot, especially especially Mr. Peterson's design. He looks bulkier and more more intimidating, really. He looks bulkier and more muscular. Like he literally looks like he could literally just grab me by the throat and squeeze my neck like a freaking grape. Owen, stay right there. Imagine if for release he has personalized voice lines to go with the AI. That would be cool, actually. That would be cool if they actually like gave him a legitimate voice or something instead of just the regular grunts and stuff. I mean, I know that's like the general like the art direction for the characters, but I feel like it'd be cool. See the lemon picture? If you take longer than an hour to complete this, you are officially bad. See the lemon picture? Do you squeeze grapes? There actually is a actor for him. Oh, really? So it's like actual like it's not like royalty-free assets. Please get out of my. Yep. There's the frick. There's the police animation. He's a freaking alternate for the Mandela catalog now. He literally just friggin'... But, oh! Oh! I need to friggin'... I probably have to turn all of these. Yep. Yep. Please don't come this way. Oh my gosh! Bro, looks like that creepy Johnny. Oh, yep, there he is. Look at that. Alternate moment. Look at that. Nothing is worth the risk. Nothing is worth the risk. Nothing is worth the risk. If I remember correctly, and Secret Neighbor, he shares the same voice actor as What? I don't believe that. I don't believe that. Eggman does not voice the neighbor. I don't believe that. Wait. So do I have to... Wait. Do I have to turn the paintings in a specific order? I have to turn them in a specific order, don't I? Wait, no, I don't. Oh my freaking... Why did that one go, like, for... Oh, it's a time limit. Okay, so I need to scope out the ones that... So let's just go ahead and do some scoping out, you know? So there's one right there. I have seen one in the not basement. I've seen another one in the bathroom, wherever the freak that is. Actually, it's right here. There's one in the bathroom. And to... Okay, this man has some issues, to put it lightly. He is very, very, obsessive over his, dead kids. Please don't go in that. I'm gonna wait and see if he comes this way. He did not come this way. Okay, good. Right. Oh no, please don't. Frickin' close the... Really? Oh my gosh. Friggin' cupboard. Gotta love the cupboards. When they just don't work. Oh, Lord. That actually did kind of scare me. That was actually pretty anxiety-inducing. I can't close this door. Okay, good to know. Just gonna... Okay, so there's 4 paintings, I think. 4 paintings. So that's... First one. Oh, crap. Frickin', let me get the frickin'... There we go. Did I not do it in time? Is there another one around here? Oh, it's this one. Yep, I did it, guys. I am... Ooh, oh, frickin' piece of... Hey, guy. Hey, my dude. You just don't care that I'm in your frickin' house. Or, like, in your property line. Okay, that's the other key. There's nothing else around here. Okay. And he is in there, isn't he? Oh no, not anymore. Never mind. Oh, and if you keep running or walking, he'll hear the sound. Wait, what? He can hear me? Hold on. Hold on, let me test this. Alt F4 and save. Wait, why? What is it about this area that makes the stream lag so much? Just like looking in this general direction just lags the stream like crazy. Foliage. Oh, that makes sense actually. So... Yeah, because in here, It's totally fine. The demo is cool. Yeah, this is a pretty cool demo. I like it. Doesn't seem like anything too crazy, but I mean, hey, it is a demo. That is what demos are supposed to be. Okay, so that's the other key. Now I need... Let me see. So I ran. And if you're correct, he will come into this room. Or not. Oh! And he probably actually... Oh, that actually kind of scared me. The way he looked at me like that. So he didn't... So he didn't hear me... So he can hear you interacting with stuff. So he can hear you interacting, doing stuff like getting into cupboards and stuff like that. And I would assume closing doors as well. I would also assume opening and closing doors. Oh my gosh. Frickin' dang it. That kind of scared me. In general, he hears you. Oh. Okay. Interesting. Let me try and break this window. Yeet. Can I not? That broke the window, but it didn't... Like, I can't... Really? Good grief. Bro's house been broken into, so he watches the door. Last 2 items, bro, what? Wait, what? I'm outside your house now. Can't do anything to me. Hide under the... He's gonna look in here, isn't he? Yep, he's gonna look in here, isn't he? He's an idiot. He is an idiot. Good to know that he's an idiot. Oh. Oh. Oh! You have the key I'm looking for. But I need scissors and a code. Gosh, these puzzles are just so numerous, aren't they? They can never be simple. They never are simple. And I need one more piece of the map over there. And I can't go anywhere up there. I wonder... Is there anything else in here? Is there anything else in here that I need to get? Probably not. The code is above you in that room. Wait, what? In what room? Oh, in this room? No. Oh, come on. Oh, wait. I see it. Get absolutely juked. Get juked. Oh, come on, man. I didn't think he'd see me. Ha ha. Ha ha. Ha ha. You couldn't see me. Okay. Just gonna wait for you to go. Okay, thank you. Okay, it's 3, 5, 7, 9. 3, 5, 7, 9. 9, 7, 3, 5? Wait, no. 9, 7, 5, 3. 9, 7, 5, 3. 3. What does the colors mean? 3795? What? Why do you say that? Well, I mean, it's probably right, but oh. That. Red, blue, green, yellow. Red, blue, green, yellow. Yeah, 3795. 3795. Yep. That actually makes sense. Wow, would you look at that? A Hello Neighbor puzzle actually. Come on, dude. At frickin'. He really did try to leap over like across his bed, like entirely across his bed. Jeez. There's a piece in the living room robot in the same place. Well, yeah, I know that. I saw that. He's still in there. I need you to go elsewhere. You know what? Screw you. Actually, I can't. I can't say screw you. I literally cannot go in there. So I can't just say screw you and just get the thing I want. Okay. He's going in there. Oh, he's... he's opening a door. He's still in there. He is still in there. No, he's not. He's not in there anymore. Great. I guess I just have to cut out all of these until I find something. Here? Hooray! Where do I go? Wow, that was quite stealthy if I do say so myself. That. So now we need one more thing, which is the key in the bear's mouth. However, I don't know what... I have absolutely no idea where or how. Actually, no, the robot hand. I don't care if he sees me. I got what I wanted. You don't see me. Not anymore. Have you played Hello Neighbor Roblox games? I have, but because it's Roblox, like the vast majority of them aren't too good at all. Where's that robot? Oh, right here. So now I have to rearrange them in a way that makes sense, I guess? Oh, come on, man. Let's go somewhere else. Please and thank you. There are good ones too. I mean... I wouldn't really know. I haven't really checked out the freaking Hello Neighbor Roblox games corner of the website much or at all. Are you serious? So he's gonna go in there. Really, dude? Frickin' stop sitting down! There was a game called Escape the Neighbor, the Killer, that had the Kickstarter house. Interesting. Yeah, I'm gonna... Hooray! But now he needs to get out of that room. He's sleeping. Oh, he literally was, like, slept for, like, 2 seconds. Hooray! I now have free reign to get this. Thank you. Come again. I'll just open that up, open up the basement. Let's see what's down here. Wait. That was seriously the end of the demo? Hold on, let me frickin' exit the game. Turn back on the music. Iriga Studios. You mean to tell me that we don't even get like a tease? No cutscene, no like outro movie, no scripted sequence, nothing? Just the thanks for playing the demo frickin' message, really? You skip the text. I already know it says something like thanks for playing the demo or something, but I know it says that, and it's just why? Frickin' why? Why is that all we get? I would have liked at least a scripted sequence. Did you not hear they're not giving any lore away in this demo? I don't care about lore. I would just like to have like some sort of like in the original games like Alpha 2, like there was the sequence that in the basement that teased what it would look like, or like that teased what was in his basement, and freaking and that at least had like some sort of like a tease for the full game, even if it didn't really turn out that way at all. But seriously, why? Continue, yes. The basement is a part of the lore, therefore they got rid of it. There's no need to add lore. I don't care about lore. I'm more talking about gameplay, like a way to get me, the player, to want to buy the full game. Because all that was, because while the game, the demo itself, the core gameplay of the demo was fine, the actual like goal of getting into the basement didn't really make me want to buy the full game. The demo was made to literally show off how the game would look like. Okay, but that's called a tech demo. That's called a tech demo. That is a tech demo, not a actual like game demo. Demos are more for selling the actual product, not for story reasons. Well, again, if there was something like a scripted basement chase sequence or something, that would have given me, like, if they're they're trying to focus more on the horror of this game. Let's just play pretend. Let's say that's their intentions with this game. They would need to end the demo with a real good punch in the face with horror. That they would, at least that's how I would do it. I would give the player something like a chase sequence to really amp up the horror and get you hyped for the full game and what the full game could contain. But there's no room to get chased around. It's called modeling a basement. Unless you want the secret room behind the washing machine. Just be grateful. I mean, I'm just saying, I'm not even like saying that I'm angry or like I'm disappointed or whatever. I'm just saying the ending just being thank you for playing our demo. Just having that alone as the ending is kind of a tiny bit of a letdown. I'll be real. The rest of the game was fine. I actually liked the demo. I had a lot of fun actually. The puzzles actually made sense, and they actually felt satisfying to solve. All of that good stuff. I'm interested in what. Okay, here's my overall thoughts on the demo. I'm interested to see how the full game is going to turn out, but some true horror aspect tease after going in the end when you're going into the basement, that would have made me hyped to see what the full game is going to be like. That would have hyped me up. But because that's not how it is, I'm interested in how the full game will turn out, not necessarily hyped. I got one question. What is your favorite version of Hello Neighbor plus the early versions? Also the trilogy. Trilogy as in like hide and seek as well? Because that's more of a spin-off. That's more of like a puzzle spin-off than a than a full like tie-in or like an actual continuation. In the playtest, the washing machine is in the basement. I think the Hello Neighbor 1 basement may return. I'm pretty sure. I mean, it just makes sense. I mean, this is the same house, isn't it? I made a Roblox Hello Neighbor game that has the skinned mesh neighbor. That sounds kind of cursed, actually. I mean, I know you're able to import, like, FBX animations into Roblox now, but, jeez, that having, like, actual character models in Roblox just sounds really cursed. No offense to you. Also, when I tried the wave function collapse for my Backrooms game, how the heck do you use it? I literally just... So first I looked up how to spawn individual tiles in a grid, and I just made an actor blueprint with like a box around it that had like scene components all around the sides, on each side to mark like the attachment points for the surrounding rooms, and like did exactly what it does, what the wave function collapse algorithm does. Picks one at random, spawns if there's no other surrounding rooms, it spawns a random room. If there is surrounding rooms, it takes the common valid room type for each of those. It takes a common valid room type for each of those other rooms and spawns that in so that it actually like fits with the surrounding rooms. You should play a you should play a pyrophobia then. Is there a way to make a certain room type to only spawn once in the entire thing? Yes, there is. Literally just have an integer variable that's like, I don't know. If it's like for spawn points and stuff, you should just call it like enemy spawn count or something, and each time it spawns that specific class of room, you just increment the integer or add it by 1. That's what increment means. You increment the integer each time it does, and once it's at a certain number, you stop incrementing and basically make it not able to spawn that room anymore. Nah, not just spawns, I mean the level exit. I plan on having most levels randomized. Okay, well, in terms of the exit, yeah, you just do that. Or at the very end of the blueprint of the spawning like script. At the very end, once all the other rooms are done spawning, you can spawn one more that is at a random location and have that be the exit. Things like level 1, however, would be crafted by hand. Yeah, level 1 is level 1's a really easy level to make. You literally just model a giant like parking garage basically. Anyways, let's actually start with hidden spirits. Because I have been feeling a little neighbory recently. I've been wanting to make some cool stuff with the AI. And it's still... The viewport still lags a lot, and What? Right. Dang, you used all that talk time to load that up smart. Not really. It's been like that. It's been open for a long while. I literally just used that time to just talk about how you would just respond to your thing. So let me just kind of enforce stream. Yeah, I'm gonna have to use like CPU encoding now for Streamlabs instead of GPU encoding because it just makes my games lag like crazy. Where's the player house? Not modeled yet. Or like it hasn't been implemented yet. This map in general is just not finished because I want to get the AI finished first before making everything else because the AI is the core appeal of the game, and I need to be able to get that in a finished state, in a state where it's actually like playable and fun to use and whatnot, and not use and fun to play with. So that the full game doesn't turn out to be buggy and broken. Like, oh my gosh. Buggy and broken just because I spent less time on the AI than I could have. Gonna have to fix that in Blender. The Roblox Hell Neighbor game I was talking about as the player suite, Hidden Spirits time. Correct, Hidden Spirits time. Also, I forgot where my stuff is. Actually, no, I didn't. Nope, not in there. It's in... there. HNHS house. It's the second floor and right there. Is that just in general? Yeah, it is just that in general. Okay. Okay. There we go. Now, hopefully, yep, that is now fixed, and it does not clash with anything. Hooray. Export, active collection, just the meshes. Environment, meshes, nope. Neighbor house, meshes, neighbor house, bink. Will you make any VR games for Oculus Quest 2? I'm not calling it Meta Quest 2. Nobody calls it a Meta Quest 2. Don't worry. I'm with you on that. Oof, I need modeling experience. Yeah, you kind of do. I mean, and modeling in Blender gets easier with time. Like, the more you attempt at modeling, the more you make your attempts at modeling, the easier and easier it becomes. I don't know, I like the name Meta just if it wasn't Facebook who named it Meta. Oh, and I did something in Unity, not Unreal, even though I prefer C++ more, that I'm truly proud of. What'd you make? It's a shame that I can't, like, turn on the full graphics right now because I can't show you things like the night vision camera and stuff like that. Can make cameras reflect on a mirror and on a monitor in real time. Cameras reflect on a monitor. Oh, that's cool. I don't. Will you make any VR games? I really do. I really do want to make. I really do want to make a VR game sometime in the future, but I'm not kidding when I say this. I am too broke to buy Quest 2 right now. But my cousin has one, so I mean he could be used for testing or something, but that'd have to be extremely coordinated, and I'd have to constantly be testing and stuff like that. So it just isn't convenient at all. So one of the things that I wanted to do. Did I not make hunt mode already? I'm pretty sure I did make hunt mode. Huh. I thought I... Oh, and can I send in a link to a picture of what I did? I don't know how you'd send it, but... Because you can't do it in YouTube chat. Do you know Rec Room? They added Rec Room Studio. Rec Room Studio is like making a Rec Room game, but with Unity. Huh. Sounds cool. Will a neighbor be able to set traps at places you've been going through too many times? Well, absolutely. That's, of course. He's supposed to be logical and smart, not a dumb idiot. He's not supposed to just look around and check hiding places. He's supposed to legitimately set traps because he is a maniac who over prepares. Oh yeah, I did make hunt mode, but I... Did I not add any of these? Huh. I guess I didn't make any of them. I guess I just did. I didn't make like implement hunt mode fully. I guess I didn't. I thought I did. I mean, I might have, but I don't know. There we go. Let's go ahead. Okay. Right here. Except I need to actually see how high I have to make it. Like that, right there. Except it's not large enough. I need to like actually like make it be the size of this. Huh. Nice. All right, cool. Now it's the actual size of the room. No, it's not. There we go. Did I shuffle this music? I didn't turn on shuffling. Also, will the neighbor be able to cut you off when you're trying to run from the neighbor? I would like to, but I wouldn't exactly know how. I mean, I guess. I guess I can just do something like whenever the player goes through a door, it like, okay, I could. So I mean, I like to, but don't know how. I do know how. It's as simple as just disabling navlinks on doors. However, the only issue being, I mean, I have an idea. I got an idea just now as to how I would actually implement that. So we're like, so basically, the system I imagine it being is whenever the player walks through a door, like actually walks entirely through the door, it basically marks that door as the quote unquote the player's door, where it would disable that door's navlink, but none of the other doors. And whenever the player walks through another door, it disables that one, but enables the other one. So basically, the system keeps every door's navlink enabled except for the one the player just walked through. However, the problem I see that creating is things like single. Why is that? Why is that? What? These things have never appeared up until recently, so I have no idea why. Like, oh, right there. Yep, overlapping face. Gonna delete that real quick. There we go. Okay. Gonna just go ahead and export that again. But anyways, so the only issue I see that creating is single door rooms where like you could potentially trap the neighbor in a door if you do something as simple as like going through the door, getting him in the room, juking him, going out, and then going out through a window in that room. But I don't think there's a single room in this entire house that I modeled that only has one entrance. Yeah, I don't think there's a single door in this house that only has a single entrance. I mean, this room probably, but you're guaranteed you are most definitely gonna get caught by him in this room. Like, there's literally no way that you wouldn't be caught. So, well, I feel like the only exceptions would be that room, where it's just so small. It's a literal closet, and you're literally screwing yourself over by trying to go in there a bit too late. No, you're good. I actually was just playing the Hello Neighbor 2 demo for the first half of the stream, and it wasn't even. I mean, granted, it wasn't. I would say it wasn't even too great of gameplay, because I forgot to turn my encoder on Streamlabs back to CPU encoding, and because of that, the FPS on the stream was just absolutely dog crap, because the GPU was just getting sucked up by the game. Do you know any ideas for a PS1 style horror game that I'm making? Not really. Apart from like core game, I mean, it really depends on the type of game that you're making. Apart from that, I don't know. Resident Evil door opening and going through. Well, yeah, that too, yeah. Imagine throwing a box at the neighbor and he ragdolls. Okay, wait. Hold on. I need to see how. I never actually taken a look at his actual his actual ragdoll. Oh my gosh, he is literally like his limbs don't even it doesn't even fit with his actual what? Okay. Show all bones. I want to see if I, just for fun. Crap, it's doing it again. Okay, anyways, there we go. Hello, Classic Neighbor Studio. Anyways, so basically what I want to try to do is I want to see if I can get his physics to be proportionate to his body and actually be able to like simulate the physics properly. And where's the capsule size? Is that even a hole count? Max hole vertices. I don't think that's a thing. Constraint. Regenerate bodies. Up. You know what? Maybe I shouldn't do that. Maybe I shouldn't try. Yeah. Unreal didn't like that very much. What the frick is this? What is this error? What the heck? What even is this error? Whatever. But you should do that at a stun gun that ragdolls him. When you do that and you have let's say 2 minutes before he gets up. That I do that with the milk. It's a lot more stealthy, and it basically forces you to be stealthy, and it doesn't. It's not ridiculous. It's not like super out there, like literally just shooting the neighbor and freaking knocking him out. Because, like, while I'm not, like, necessarily against it, I just think it would fit the game a lot more if it wasn't that crazy. Are you kidding me? The map didn't save? Really? Guess I gotta put this thing back in there. Friggin'... What fun. What fun. I gotta make this, even... I gotta do this again. Uh, 323, 324, 325. What? How much more of the... Okay. Oh, whoops. Okay, there we go. All right, cool. Okay, cool. There we go. Back in action. Anyways, I shouted the image to you on Game Jolt. Okay. Let's go ahead and take a look. Oh. Interesting. A Five Nights at Freddy's game. Interesting. Nice. That actually looks pretty good. Just put a couple like CRT VHS filters over it, and the effect is like basically complete. So I'm just gonna call this BP Living Room. BP Living Room. You know how to do that with a render texture. Ah, render targets. Well, in Unreal, those are called render targets. Or for the atmospheric fog to work, the arrow has to be pointed down. What? that doesn't make any sense. I don't think that's true. I don't think that's true, righty. I don't think that's true. Unreal is annoying for those things are just named differently for no reason. Do you know Slendy Tubbies? Why wouldn't I know Slendy Tubbies? I mean, granted, I was like 11 years old when that game first came out. I was like 11 or 12 years old when that game first came out, but that was like I was still around for that. I actually stumbled upon that game quite a few times and I recommended on YouTube. Probably shouldn't have been looking at those types of videos when I was that age, but I didn't care. Okay, so nope, I didn't want to cook the content. There we go. Open Visual Studio Code. That's what I wanted. Okay, so for the room, I want there to be a F string. What? A F string. F string, room name. And just for like simplicity's sake. So for like debugging and stuff. I literally tested it, it's true. Okay, let me try that. Where visual effects, where is it? Atmospheric fog. So, I mean, it's gonna lag like crazy, but, I mean, well, on your guys' end. So let's just go ahead, point it downwards, just like you said. Atmospheric fog. Atmosphere. What? Wait, what? I don't get it. Why is it not? Where are the... is there like a density? Density, yep. Density multiplier. Let's try 5. Huh. Doesn't seem like it doesn't seem like it's true, but oh wait, I already have atmospheric fog. I am an idiot. Okay, let's try that once more. Density offset. Or actually fog multiplier, that's what I wanted. Just doesn't seem like it's affecting really anything. Huh. Oh well. Okay. I wonder why it lagged right there. That was weird. Okay, but anyways, great, now it's gonna freaking... Now it's gonna no, Owen, it's affecting everything. Slendy Tubbies is so fun. Sad they're not making a 4th entry. I'm wondering the Slendy Tubbies map is what I need the Slendy Tubbies 1 map. Why? Okay. Real talk. Why does everybody love that game so much? Was it because it was it was like one of the first like ruin your childhood horror games type of horror games? Is that why? Because Teletubbies are annoying. Teletubbies are so annoying that a horror game was made out of them. Gosh, that is pretty funny actually. That is very funny. Also, why is it taking so long to compile? You know what? I'm just gonna frickin'... Okay, so keep BP key spot. Let's see what that is even. Oh, that's just for the box trigger. Okay, it's all in code, right? So it's just the box on spawn. Is there any implementation for on spawn? Oh yeah, there. Oh yeah. Okay, that makes sense. That makes sense. It's been a little while since I've touched this code, so I'm slowly remembering the things that I have implemented. Okay. So BP room is the thing. So did I ever implement hunt mode? Okay, yeah, look in room right here. Yep, there it is. Get room with max count. Yep, right here. Okay. Okay, there we go. So gets the radius within. I think that's too large. Fun fact, the image you saw has 0 ambient occlusion and still looks dark as freak. Yeah, it that actually is kind of insane. It does look really dark. Okay. So current state. Let's just do idle, and for BP room. Where's BP room? Right, BP room should be somewhere around here. Right here. Let's just go ahead and try this out. Let's first we got it. Well, first off, we got to increase. Also, this is Animal Crossing music, isn't it? Because this has Animal Crossing vibes. Give it 5 more minutes, someone will start begging for the next Hello Neighbor UV4 tutorial. Hello Neighbor, but the neighbor is Owen. No. Just no, I'm not doing that. No. I'd have to not only model myself into the game, but I'd also have to quite literally, like, I would literally have to map the model onto the neighbor's skeleton. Hello, Clayton Spivey. Welcome to the stream. It's called Hello Owen. No, I'm not doing that. Also, it's done compiling, so that's great. Room name, kitchen, because that is, in fact, going to be the kitchen. Living room. Let's make the player count in here 3, and this one 2. Kitchen. So he is going to start in hunt mode. What? What? Where's begin play? Oh, it's just randomized idle task. Okay. Set state. Oh wait. Set current state. I want you could just get a low poly sphere, then slap a low resolution image of your face on it. Or you could just do a horrible neighbory color like Hello Pennywise. Gosh, I forgot about that mod. That mod, good grief. That was like one of the one of the first mods, like, ever. Gosh. Hunt. Okay. I'm gonna just copy and paste these. So for idle, I'm gonna randomize the idle task. Or I could literally just do this. Yep, just do that. For idle, gonna randomize the hunt task. For idle task, randomize hunt task. Oh, it's a C++ function. Oh, I'm so proud of myself. Anyways. So, current status hunt. So now what should happen is when I simulate, when I play the simulation, he's going to run to an area in this room, in just this room, because this one has a higher player count than the other one. So logically, he should stay in this area. Never mind, he's just going to 0-0 for some reason. I hate that bug. Oh my gosh, dude. I hate that bug with a passion. Jeez Louise. Why game? Not game. Why Unreal? Why do you have to be like that? Why? It's specifically 4.27. 4.2 is specifically 4.27 that does that bug. So if you don't know, the bug is whenever I compile the code, the engine will have at random will just randomly spit out a crapload of errors and nothing will work right, even though I know everything works right. And everything did work right before, and the only way for me to fix that is to literally just close and reopen the editor. And 4.24, yeah, it's a thing with the newer. Wait, access non-trainer root property, get room with max count. What? Get room with max count. Random. Wait, what? Why did it do... What? Why am I doing a random one? Okay. Oh, wait. It's... Gotcha. Right. Because there's... Because there could be multiple rooms that have the same player count, I want to make it an array instead of just the one room, or instead of just looking in one room. Move over to UA5 maybe. I can't. The one thing, okay, genuinely. Okay, no offense to you and any of my other viewers, but I am genuinely tired of having to answer this question because every single time it's the same thing. And for any aspiring Unreal Engine developers, for any aspiring game developers who want to use Unreal Engine, choose your engine version wisely. Choose your engine version wisely, because once you create the project and start working on it, you cannot change the engine version. At least you can't change it without running the risk of it entirely breaking, because that commonly happens with Unreal Engine when you switch engine versions for a project. It often breaks a lot of things. even if you're upgrading to a later version instead of downgrading, it'll still do that 90% of the time. So again, any aspiring Unreal Engine game developers, choose your engine version wisely, because once you create that project, you're stuck with that engine version. So if you want to work with Unreal Engine 5, you gotta create the project on Unreal Engine 5. That's the problem with Unreal Engine and why Unity wins in that way, because you can switch versions with some minor problems. Yeah, that's the one thing I just don't get about Unreal Engine. Why does upgrading engine versions break the game a lot of the times? I will never understand that. I will just never understand that. So... false. Wait a minute, I just realized I have to, like, sequence. I need to get the player count for that one. And I'm gonna need to do a do once node and set the current count to that. There we go. Let's try now. Yeah, like that, just like that. Look, now he's gonna stay in this area. Yep, exactly like that. He's gonna stay in this area. I should probably increase the radius. Try 300. I think his turning needs to be faster. I'm gonna change that section of it. Orient, rotation, and movement. Rotation rate. Wait, what the freak? Use controller rotation. Rotation to movement. What? Minus 180. Wait, what? Nope. Minus 90. 270. Let's try that. Oh my gosh, why does it take so long to save a frickin' map? UE5 is so bad, IMO. They changed how line tracing works. Wait, what? How is it now? How is it with Unreal 5? How does line trace work in there? I highly doubt it's too it's too different from what it is in Unreal 4, because why would they change it that drastically? I think you have to make him stop looking around, especially if you're trying to make him stay in one area before he knows there's something or someone in his house. Well, that's the thing. I am simply testing this task so that just so that I know it's working. So he does that. Why is his turning so slow? Why is his, like... Or use... Okay. Okay, yep, I have to freaking disable that. I have to disable use controller rotation, yeah. Rotation rate. Let's try 180. Actually, let me just drop him right here. Oh my gosh! The nav mesh... Oh, that's even slower. That's even worse. 360. Let's try increasing that. Oh, whoops. I'll say this again because it's Unreal Engine. It has to be confusing with horrible documentation for no reason. So they would change it drastically for zero reason. I wouldn't say the documentation is horrible. I would say, however, that there are some things that I would definitely wish is better documented. Okay, there we go. That's much better turning. That's much better turning. Yeah, that looks much smoother. It is especially for C++. Yeah, unfortunately, yeah. Like multi-threading, I had to frickin' figure out that stuff myself. I had to look through, like... That's why I like the community ran Unreal Engine wiki. What is it called? For wiki. Unrealcommunity.wiki. Yep, unrealcommunity.wiki. I am so thankful for that website because holy cow, I would not have been able to figure out multi-threading if it weren't for that website, because gosh, Epic's documentation on it is so bad. It literally explains it in like the least helpful way possible. It does not explain how to properly set it up, how to make it. It literally explains it to you as if you already know everything there is to know about multi-threading and general programming. Which, let's be honest, most people who use game engines wouldn't know that right out the gate. They just wouldn't know that. Unity gets the documentation on C#, which doesn't even need good documentation, to be honest. Yeah, I've heard C# is a fairly simple language. And again, they changed so many words for no reason, like Godot and Unity have render textures, and for Unreal, it's render target. Actually, I don't even know if it's render target. It might be render target. It's called a canvas 2D. It's called a canvas render target. It's not even like simply cube map render texture or something like that. Because like look at this. Cube render target. That's just a cube map. That is literally just a cube map. It's just a cube map. Why do you need to name it something else? Canvas render target. That is literally just a render texture. Render texture. Just call it that, like everybody else does. Can you rip Unity maps? I think so. I feel like you can. I don't really know though. You might be able to. I don't know. I don't know. Okay, so we have the basic like room searching thing. So, I feel like I am going to have to. I feel like I'm gonna have to make some I feel like I'm gonna have to make a whole like class specifically for like hiding places. Yeah, I'm gonna do that just for simplicity's sake. Neighbor objects, new C++ class, actor, hiding spot. Could you rip Unity terrain? No, I doubt you can. I said doubt, never said I have 3 years of experience on coding, not engines. Yeah, that's about my experience. I went to in my city, we had we had a high school called the Coding Academy, and it literally was a high school entirely surrounded around like helping students figure out how technology works, how to like basically get yourself get yourself started on projects relating to technology. And that included robotics, general machinery, programming, computer engineering, all that sort of stuff. And so yeah, of course, like I got my programming knowledge from there, and I'm honestly really thankful for that school because I don't know where I'd be without it. I don't know what I'd be trying to do without it. I'd probably try to completely do YouTube stuff or something. I'd probably try to only do YouTube stuff, which honestly, I'm glad I'm not only doing YouTube stuff because my dream scenario is YouTube is not my main source of income, but it's in conjunction with my games. More so in my game, I care more about my games more than my YouTube content, but it's not like by a massive enough margin to like not care about the YouTube stuff. But like, I don't want YouTube to be my core job because let's be honest, there's a lot of BS surrounding YouTube's like terms of service and copyright like restrictions and stuff like that, to the point where I don't want to get so big and so dependent on YouTube that like I literally like do one video that I enjoy making and I ended up breaking, like I ended up like getting the video demonetized or something, and I'd just be like, okay, that sucks. I don't know why I got demonetized or something, but and like even if I can't fix it, it's just like oh well, instead of like I will not be able to financially recover from this. I know C, C#, C++, and Hacks, and Java and Lua. Too simple, but too complex for no reason. Yeah. I didn't even mean to make a pun. Haha, complex collision is simple. Haha, get unreal pun. Haha, I get it. Haha. I wish I had a snippet of the Seinfeld theme so I could play that. So now that we have looking in the rooms done, now I'm gonna recompile this. And that's a lot of errors that just genuinely I just don't think are correct. I really don't think they should be. Okay, whatever. Oh, wait a minute. I think VS Code. I think I know one of the issues. UE4 C++ IntelliSense not working. You specify 4.27. Let's go ahead. Why is Visual Studio VS Code IntelliSense not working? Not working at all. Let's see what this does. Will not fix Visual Studio, but I can just suggest to use Writer for what? No. VS Code errors, 4.26 IntelliSense bug solve. Let's see this. Let's try this. Example class. The bug is that. And I think that is the issue here. Let me... Where's the freaking... No, yeah, there we go. Yep, all of that. The solution... Oh... That's a lot of... Wait, what? No. Don't tell me this is... Don't tell me this is the freaking fix. Do not... I refuse to believe this is the fix. Just this... Okay, let me try... Compile commands... Right here. Wait, I think this is already... Wait, it's find and replace. I think it's find and replace, right? Yeah, it's find and replace. Wait, what? Replace all. Yeah. It's find this, replace with this. Let's try this. It says 4.26, so it could be different. I mean, 4.26 isn't that different from 4.27. However, I'm not entirely sure if it's actually the fix. Oh, IntelliSense fixes 4.26 plus. Okay. Any packages, releases. IntelliSense fixes. Ooh. Do I wait, I think I might already have this plugin. I think I already have this plugin or extension. Where's IntelliSense? IntelliSense fixes. When was this posted? January 25th. Or when was this uploaded? January 25th. Changelog. Wait. Yeah, January 25th. I wonder if this plugin will actually fix anything. Dead tag. Wait, what? Do you mean chat? Dead chat? Yeah, the chat just stopped talking for some reason. And I have no idea why those events always pop up. I think there's gotta be a setting to only activate it. Activate it when like enabled events, visual settings, keep events history. No. Don't keep the events history. I mean a funny VR gorilla game that is dead. Oh, which I paralyzed my... What the... Okay. Let me... Wait, this is 3.0. Oh, this is 3. What version is this? 3.1.4. This is 3.4.0. So I'm gonna have to uninstall and reinstall, or actually I'm gonna reload this and reinstall it. Install from VSIX. Install. Hello neighbor, Among Us, Pennywise at 3 a.m. Gone wrong. My hand into a table really hard. Not just that, before I hit my hand, I smashed a mirror. R.I.P. My hand was cut and paralyzed. Ouch. Jeez, that sounds freaking. That sounds like it sucked. For lack of a better term. Just sounds like it really sucked. So let me just refresh Studio Code project. I thank me for being idiotic, still playing the game after smashing the mirror. Okay. It's refreshed. Time to see if that actually, if the plugin actually did anything. I hope it did, because if it didn't, I will be very sad. Extension is done. If you get number of warning messages 1, if you get any errors, you can try restarting Visual VS Code to check if the problems, warning messages. Optimization of Unreal Engine is enabled. Enabling Unreal Engine optimization disables red squiggle. Compiling for the owner source code. Under source code, you could disable it. Whatever. Cool. So it worked. Hooray! Gaming, no other words. Owen, how about you compiles? Oh my gosh, freaking screw you. that's wow. Owen, what, Lex? How about? It's literally censoring the words. I'm pretty sure I yeah, I no, we censored them. Oh, I was about to say, that would have been really funny if I accidentally added that in the frickin' like word excluding like settings. Use static mesh component. Mesh. Ufunction. Blueprint implementable event. Blueprint callable. Category is equal to hiding. Void on hide. Gonna add another one. Void unhide. Don't know the flip side, or like the reverse of the word hide. If you're good at making games, then how about you start making? Oh my frickin', really? Frickin' that meme is so stupid, but it's so funny to me for some reason. Mesh to create default subobject. Static mesh component. Text. Mesh. Set up attachment. Root component. Alright. Compile. Get it, you property, you property. You know how to code on, so why don't you code the mesh for some... Guys, please stop making those jokes. It's literally gonna run dry eventually. I'm not saying it's dry now, but it'll become unfunny eventually. Just how unfunny this this compile length is. This compile time. So, how was your guys' days? Did you guys, did you to the people in chat who are or people watching who are still in school, did you get your homework done? If you have any homework, because you should get it done. Because your teacher's gonna yell at you if you don't. And nobody wants that. Nobody likes that. I don't have school yet. Homeschool be fun. Yeah, my little sister does homeschool and does homeschooling and well, that's the end of the sentence. Who the freak is calling me? Oh. Give me 1 second. Alright, I am back. I am back. Okay. So, it's done compiling, finally. Oh, you like streaming, Owen? The one... Oh my freaking what? Oh my gosh. Okay, so... This is done compiling. So I'm gonna create a new actor called BP and make this BP bed. I will make this BP bed. Oh, I just realized I'm gonna need to include the hash include. I'm gonna have to include the interact interface. Yep. Interact.h. Okay. Public I interact. Maybe if you get bored doing this, why don't you add more to the Backrooms game? Or you can't do that. I can do that right now. I definitely can. I fixed the multi-threading issue that I mentioned earlier. Because the entire reason why I didn't stream this, I didn't stream for most of this week, is entirely because I was trying to figure out multi-threading, and that just doesn't, you don't get the joke, do you? What? What? What does that, what joke is there? Like, genuine question, have you never watched Danny? I have seen, I'm subscribed to Danny, but I don't think he's made a Backrooms game. Is it possible to play my Roblox game? I mean, I can do that in like the last like couple minutes of the stream. I can totally do that if you want. Oh, or you can't do that. I get it. Yep, I get it. I haven't watched his videos in a while, so I didn't catch that. So I didn't catch that reference up until now. Okay. Hey Owen, I heard about the multi-threading issue. What was the problem you were having? I'm getting into multi-threading because of my territorial ISO game. And would like to know what to expect. Okay, so in terms of Unreal, in Unreal multi-threading, Unreal's multi-threading is treated differently than, is set up differently than how you would in pure C++. However, it's not very difficult to understand. The only reason why it took me so long to figure out was because, so, firstly, in Unreal multi-threading, there's the main game thread, and then there's the other threads that you use to do other sort of background processing. However, the background processes. The background processes can't do things like spawn actors, destroy actors. I don't even think they can use timers. They can't use functions that are from outside the thread. I think, maybe I'm most likely wrong about that, but there are certain things that background threads can't do that the main game thread can. So there's just certain things that are just off limits when it comes to multi-threading, because if you try to do things like spawn an actor or destroy an actor in a separate thread, it will literally crash the game. It will crash the game every time. And basically, the only reason why it took me so long to figure it out was because I was just trial and erroring it myself, because there was little to no documentation on any forum or wiki that I could find that covers everything. So I literally had to figure that type of stuff out myself. So I would use the other threads purely for calculations, right? Yes, you would use the separate threads for the more expensive calculations. For instance, in my backrooms game, I needed to calculate which rooms still have open ends in order to place empty rooms at those ends. However, if I put it in a string of other for loops that I had it on, it would be pretty slow. The load times would be pretty lengthy. Around, I would say, like as you've seen in like previous streams, it was like between 30 to 40 seconds or something crazy like that. But with multi-threading, but if I put that calculation into a multi-threaded function and put that function in a separate thread, it will do that in the background and actually utilize the CPU that you are blessed in your computer. You were blessed within your computer, and so yeah, things like that are things like that you would definitely, I would definitely recommend putting in a separate thread, because if you just put them in a long string, because let's be honest, in something like the wave function collapse algorithm, you're gonna need a lot of for loops. And if you use too many for loops, it gets to be pretty performance heavy. And so to prevent that, you'd use multi-threading. So you would use multi-threading to do all of those calculations in the background, instead of doing it all on the same game thread. So yeah, look at that. Interact right there. So I'm gonna need the bed right there. And I just realized I'm gonna need to have an arrow component for the neighbor location. U arrow component. I think that's what it's called. Alright, thanks for the clarification. Also, did you use a marketplace plugin for multi-threading, or did you code it yourself? I coded it myself because, one, all of the good multi-threading blueprint like plugins are all paid. One of them being, I kid you not, $150. The other one is $5, but the $5 one seemed a lot more confusing than the other one. And so I just figured, why not just figure it out how to code it in myself? I mean, it's not even that hard to code yourself in the first place, even. So it's more just a why not just do it yourself. I would just love to help you with the Backrooms project so it gets finished at a good pace, so there's no problems, but also so it gets done fast. It gets done. Why did I say dunner? It gets done faster-ish. That's how good the Backrooms game looks. Well, I appreciate your offer. Can I stream the alpha on Twitch? Absolutely. Why not? Of course. Of course you can stream it on Twitch. In fact, I'd encourage you to, because I want to get the word out about the game as much as possible. So, I mean, it benefits me, so, and you, and it benefits you as well. So sure, why not? Ah! Goodbye, Unreal window. Bye. Your crash. Goodbye. You were a nice. You were a good Unreal project editor window, but a bug but a freaking crash error happened for no reason. Send and restart. What does that even mean? I've never gotten that crash error before. So Lex, what do you mean by help me on the Backrooms game? Like, what do you mean by that? Only reason I dislike Unreal is the fact people use visual scripting too much. But why? Why do you hate visual scripting? I mean, just help you finish it faster, pretty much. Well, yeah, but, I mean, but what would you do? Like, what would you do? Hello, how have you been? I've been doing pretty good. Creepspear Gaming. Creepspear Gaming. Trademarked, by the way. We'll code the obvious and will help with stuff that can't be solved with wave function collapse. Restores. That'd have to do with the map. Oh, well. The only issue with that is that the game's going to be paid, and because of that, I'd basically have to give you a share of the earnings as well because it's a collaboration, and I'm not entirely sure I can afford that. I don't think I can. Nah, I'd be fine. Really? Alright, well, thank you, Lex. DM me on Discord and just show me what you got. Show me what you've made, and I might take it into consideration. Where's bed? Where's bed? What Unreal, why did you just freeze? Unreal? Unreal! Speak to me! Okay, there we go. What? Control Z. Why? What? Why is that in there? Why is that? What? That was weird. Oh my god, why Hello Neighbor and Unreal Engine? Because Hello Neighbor is made in Unreal Engine. Unreal Engine has the best lag spikes I've ever seen. It's a great software for the best PCs yet. I feel like if you're having lag spikes in Unreal, that's a you problem, because I have never gotten that problem, ever. This PC at least. Sorry, I blanked out. I forgot what I was doing. Okay, BP bed, there. I have a GTX 1070 and put RTX on. I had 0 lag. What you mean, bruh? that's okay, my guy. That's because I don't know if that's a joke or not, because that's a lot. Because if it's a joke, it's a really funny joke. I really hope that that's a joke. Yes, it was. That was a good joke. That was funny. I got a GTX 1070 and I turned RTX on. Take that, freaking liberals. When is the game coming? I don't know at this point. Just, it comes out whenever it comes out. This is the first time I've really worked on Hidden Spirits in a long while. But, so, I mean, hey, who knows? But I just know I am putting as much effort as I possibly can into this because I really, really want this to be the best it can be. Just like with all my games. My GTX is simply superior than a 4090. It's a 4090. It needs RTX to run ray tracing. That's what we in the business like to call a skill issue. I have 3090 RTX. At this point, it just friggin'. At this point, everybody's gonna start getting 3090s and stuff because now that crypto mining is essentially impossible on or like. I've heard that crypto mining, like in the cryptosphere, it has become essentially impossible to mine crypto off of GPUs now. So because of that, the prices for like 30 series RTX cards have just dropped. It went from like the thousands down to like the 400s. Like a 3090 costs like $450 or something now. Bro, I got jumped by a long horse. But what? Wait, hold on. Horse. Ew. Those things are gross. Okay, I'm gonna... I look up horse spider, and this is one of the images that I see. There's all the images like of like an actual like spider, and then there's just this. Gosh, I love Google. Google is great. Bam, bam. What? YouTube is not. Wait. 437 as such viewers will interesting. I meant long horse spider as in your backrooms game. Do I need to shout to you on what I got jumped by? Oh you mean the Aranea Membry in my backrooms game. You mean the Aranea Membry. Oh wait. Okay, before you meant you said the alpha of the game on Twitch. Please do not stream that on Twitch. It does not. I don't like it. It's the only version that I've come out with, and the original plan was to release new versions, new little updates to the alpha until getting to the demo. But that's basically been abandoned because it's just gotten the current state of the game is the current version of the game is so much different than it's so different from the alpha version that I literally can't release them side by side. When is the end of the stream? Once I get this fixed. Syntax error, missing hiding spot 32. What? No, I'm not missing. What? Neighbor transform is not a member of what? What? What the? Hold on. Hold on. Hello, Pixelixer. Hold on. I need to frickin' find this out. Arrow component. UE4 C++. I need to frickin' find out arrow component. Right there. Right there. That's what I want. Took you long enough, Pixel. Okay, include. So do I seriously need to have the include? I really do have to have the include, huh? I do have to have the include. Oh my. Why are there two Why are there two? What the frick? Why were there two? Why were there two windows open? Frickin' two window, like, editor windows were open. What the heck? Why was that? What? That makes no sense. Bam, bam. How long has this music been going? Oh, it's a whole hour of this music. I want something different. There we go. So you know Kane Pixels, what? Thank you, Haven. Thank you, Haven. Thank you, Haven, for telling me that my boba is here. I will be right back, chat. Alrighty, I have returned with boba tea. Delicious. Slurp slurp chew chew. All that good stuff with boba. I became a mod on his Discord server. Pixel, you did not become a mod on Kane Pixel's Discord server. I don't believe you. Respectfully, I don't believe you. Check on Game Jolt. I have proof. Then send it. If you want, send proof in my Discord server. Oh, I see what you mean by long horse spider. What, Lex? I know what you mean by that now. Literally, the RNA memory is just long horse. I will send it in general. Alright. Frick. Discord, stop lagging, thank you. Frick. Discord is really lagging. Advanced, turn on hardware acceleration. Okay, it's just gonna close Discord. It's probably gonna reopen it. Not on the window that it was open in, mind you. That was a lot of boba balls. Balls. My voice cracked. Right there, that was not. You guys didn't hear anything. I didn't enable that on my Discord. That's you're hearing things, you're hallucinating. What? Oh my gosh. You actually did it, Pixel. You actually did it. You mad lad, you actually did it. You actually became a mod on the Kane Pixel's Discord server. Wow. That's crazy. Can you get me in contact with Kane? Can you please? I'm a big fan of. I'm a really big fan of Kane Pixels. Can you please Will you play my game? Yes, in a second. Once I compile this. Unless I compiled it already. Pixel's too good for you now. Yeah. Basically. That made me a tiny bit dizzy. Oh right, I didn't friggin' neighbor transform. Create default subobject. U arrow component. Text. Neighbor transform. Setup attachment. Mesh. Okay, now compile. Nope, I didn't mean to do that. I meant to compile. I am going to break something. Not really, but I'm angry. Friggin' Unreal, why is it just this project? It's only this project that the engine does this. I have never had this version of Unreal 4 crash on me like that. Like, I've never had it crash on me like that before in any other project in this using this version. It's just this project, and I have no idea why. Bruh is correct, Blue Knight. Bruh is in fact correct. Alright, cool. Right there. Maybe this should be BP cupboard instead, because neighbor object is what neighbor object is what the bed is. Maybe yeah. I'll just have this be the cupboard. I don't have mesh for the cupboard. Okay, well, we're not about to spend the rest of, we're not going to spend the next like 10, 15, 20, 30 minutes trying to make that. We're going to actually do what I promised to do, and we're going to be playing Kepler's Roblox Hello Neighbor game. So, let me look you up. Excuse me if you heard that. Oh, yep, there you are. Oh, actually, there it is, right there. Wait, what? No, that's not it. That's not it. That's a group. That's not. Okay, creations. Jeez Louise, these are a lot of games. So what is it? The game is not fully completed. Oh, so it's not like uploaded? It's not even like uploaded onto Roblox? Okay. How I never Debugging remake. Okay, I would assume that's the name of the game. Let me search that up. The game is uploaded. The game is uploaded. Well, I can't find it on your profile. I can't find it on your profile, unfortunately. How many other friends? Not friends. How many? Wait, what? You sent me a friend request, didn't you? Oh yeah, you did send me a friend request. Oh, there it is. Oh, would you look? Okay. Cool, cool, thank you. Okay. I just couldn't find it. Come on, Roblox. I don't have much time. Come on, Roblox. Come on. Okay, cool. There we go, cool. You met the creator award. Oh my gosh! You really did just straight up import... This is cursed. I don't know if you... I don't know how I feel about this. So left click is interact, I would assume. And that doesn't do anything. Oh, I see. Add basement, new starter character, support the oh my god. Ah! What the freak? Is that a light switch? Huh. Okay. Well, are you able to pick up stuff, or is it just like... Oh, you are able to pick things up. Oh! Ah! Oh, wow. You mad lad, you actually did it. You actually did end up creating... Wow. Okay, so you stand on things to pick them up? That's weird. Oh, right click is throw. You actually did just straight up import all of these things into the game. But there's no catch animation, unfortunately. That's fine. You're just one person. Whatever. The game's not fully finished, so I'm not gonna put that against you. Why is this area so small? This is insanely small. This is like... Holy crap, this is small. Oh my gosh. This is like genuinely a really small area. What does that mean? What does that mean? That symbol above you. What does that even mean? Frickin' no! No! Is that Dr. Livesey? It just seems like an obscured like Dr. Livesey art or something. Where did I come from? Up there, there. Okay, cool. What? Oh, I got caught. Alright, well, sorry Kepler, but I'm gonna have to leave it at that. It's a pretty decent looking game so far, actually. It's probably the best Hello Neighbor game I've seen on Roblox, like, at least in a long while. Granted, I haven't played much others, but it's certainly the best looking Roblox Hello Neighbor game that I've seen. Hello Neighbor Alpha 1.5. What? Alpha 2 What? So this one has 61k visits. Let's see what this one is all about. I'm gonna play this last one. I'm gonna play this I'm gonna do this one last one, and then I'll call it for the stream. Ah! Oh, that was bright! Jeez. Oh! They have the animations too. Wow. Oh! Wow, hello Kepler. Fancy meeting you here. Okay. I can't open that. I don't know why the chase music started playing. Oh. That's just the cutscene. I think that's just the cutscene, I think. I think that's just the cutscene for the Yep, that's just the cutscene for the scripted sequence for the basement for the thing. I think he's kind of short in this game. He's kind of short. He's a little stuck. Did I accidentally? I turned on the frickin' voice mod thing. Gosh dang it. Okay, but that legitimately scared me. That legitimately scared me. T-pose. And just look at him. He's just standing there, menacingly. Oh! I guess he had to go. I guess his people needed him. So these are like the actual games, like, wow, I still can't believe that you can actually like use the actual animations in this. Oh my gosh, there's another person here. Oh, well, there he goes. Alright, well, fun stream. Probably gonna, I'm probably gonna develop, I'm probably gonna do another Hidden Spirits stream again soon. But yeah, until then, I will see you all in the next stream, whenever that is. It's probably just going to be next Sunday. Probably will be next Sunday. Yeah, another gaming stream. But yeah, I'll see you all later.